Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Office Master. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone working with finance, how the PPMT function works in Microsoft Excel. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that we are offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
So, what is the PPMT function? PPMT stands for Principal Payment and it's a function in Excel that helps you calculate the principal payment for a specific period of a loan or investment, considering constant payments and a constant interest rate. Now, let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to understand the syntax of the PPMT function. For that, we are going to see official documentation of PPMT function from Microsoft 365. So here is the syntax. First we have rate, which is the interest rate per period. Then PER, which means specifies the period and must be in the range 1 to NPR. Okay. Then we have NPR, so the total number of payment periods in an annuality. Okay. Then we have PV, which is present value, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. Then we have FE, which is a future value. Okay. Then we have type, so this is optional, 0 or 1. 0 means at the end of the period, 1 means at the beginning of the period. And we have a few examples. Before we look into those, I would like to tell you one important thing which all of you need to know. As you all know, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So, I have copied this data to the Excel sheet. As you can see, here we have two examples. So in the first example, we have annual interest rate of 10%, then number of years for the loan, which is 2, then loan amount is 2000. So we have to find the principal payment for month 1 of the loan. So here I'm just going to use the formula PPMT. First of all, we have to select the annual interest rate, then we have to divide it by 12. Okay, then we have this one PER. So here we have to select for 1 month, right? So that's 1. Then NPER, here 2 years, so this thing is 2 years, right? So what we have to do is we have to multiply it by 12. Then here PV is 2000, and as you can see, so the result is 75.62 rupees. As you can see, here we have another example. So for this example, we have annual interest rate of 8%, number of years for the loan is 10, then loan amount is 2 lakh. So what we have to do is we have to find the principal payment for year 10 of the loan. Okay, so let's do this. Here I'm just going to use the formula PPMT. So first one is annual interest rate, and you can see one thing, principal payment for year 10. So we no need to divide it by 12. In previous example we did that because we have to find the principal payment for month 1, but here year 10, so no need to divide it by 12. Okay, here PER is 10 because we are going to find principal payment for year 10, right? Then here number of years for the loan is 10. Okay, here PV value is 2 lakh. As you can see, 27,598. So that's it for this video. To wrap it up, the PPMT function in Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for financial analysis and planning. By understanding how it works and applying it to effectively, you can take control for your finances and make informed decisions for your future. Do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.